it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I'm bringing you a list of the 5 favorite things that I like to get from Home Depot. So I'm in Home Depot a lot. Honestly, I'm shop for DIY things and home improvement things more than I shop for clothes or makeup. I'm definitely not in the mall as much as I am at Home Depot. So there are several things that I prefer to get from Home Depot versus anywhere else. And the very first things are drop cloths. They are kind of that cool farmhouse feel. They're rustic and they're very inexpensive. And Home Depot has a great selection of different sizes. You can see behind me, I've created some drop cloth curtains, and I have a video on placemats that I've made with them. And I even have a whole tutorial on how to bleach them, which gives it a whole different look. The second thing that I like to get from Home Depot is wood and lumber. That is where I go for pretty much all of my wood that I need, unless it's reclaimed wood like pallet wood or barn wood. I get all of my common board and my pine, which is my favorite to use on my builds, from Home Depot. The third thing that I like to get from Home Depot is my wood stain. If you follow me along, you know Minwax Jacobine is my favorite color. I use it in pretty much all my wood making projects unless I'm painting. If I'm wood staining, you can see the shelf back here, and the tabletop here on my cabinet is all in Jacobine. It's my favorite. They stopped carrying it at Walmart, so for me, Home Depot is my go-to place to get Jacobine wood stain. The fourth thing that I get from Home Depot most often are my work gloves. I have smaller hands, and it's not always easy to find small gloves. And even Home Depot has a very small selection, but every time I go, they always have them in stock, so I always grab them from Home Depot. And the last thing that I always grab from Home Depot are my brad nails that go into my nail gun. I bought different brands, and some of them like to jam. My Craftsman Evolve 18 gauge nail gun. However, I like to get the DeWalt brand brad nails because they don't seem to jam my nail gun quite so often, or actually very rarely. So that's my favorite brand to get of brad nails, and so I always grab those while I'm at Home Depot. I hope that you guys will give me a thumbs up on this video so I can keep bringing you this Quick Tip Tuesday series. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. That will notify you when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.